What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Josh. This is Harville Makes. Behind me is a really big chair, and we're gonna do some cool stuff with it. So, yep, that's the video. A little bit of backstory. My Uncle Mike got this for me for my birthday. It's a director's chair. It's really cool, really excited about it. He's been really leaning in and supporting me on this YouTube thing, just like you guys have. So it's really cool. Thank you, guys. But we've got some iron-on letters for the back of the chair to customize it, and should be a pretty simple project, hopefully, and shouldn't take too long. So come along with us. We'll have some fun, relax. It's kind of rainy outside, so perfect project for indoors. Yep. Step 1, eat some candy. Step 2, take the chair off the table. Oh, easy enough. Step 3, disregard all instructions and open the thing. Step 4, make sure we have all the letters we need. H, A, R, K, E, S. Cool! Step 5. We on step 5? Step 5. Glance over the instructions. Cut apart and place the letters as desired perfectly on the fabric within the desired side up. Okay. Done. Step 6. Realize that it'll probably be easier when we take this off than to try to do it on the chair. So step 8. Putting it back on the table. Oh. Step 9, disassemble chair so that we can fold it up. Step 10, take this off. Are we in focus? Alright, cool. Now, I'm going to cut these out, and then we'll probably, speed this part up. Alright, cool. So we got them all cut out. Now we're going to go get the iron, let that warm up, and then figure out how to place these on there. Cool. Got the iron. Now we're about to plug it in and let it warm up. And in the meantime, I'm going to eat more candy. Okay, so since I had to get the camera really close to see this, we're gonna, figure this out. 2 1/4. It didn't work. So I consulted the instructions and it said 60 seconds, not 30 seconds. So here we are. And you gotta do some of that. It told me to do some of that with the tip of the iron, So you gotta seal the letters by using the tip of the iron. I've never done this before. I think that should be good. Let's check it out. totally breaking the rules here. What the heck? I'm gonna try and experiment with that. How about that? Like apples? How you like them apples? Letter A. I don't think that's gonna make a difference. Meh. Yeah, I definitely don't think we're doing this right. Either that or it's not wanting to stick to this material. There's something. What is going on? Seriously, don't like it. Alright. There's that. Let me refer to this one more time. Alright, so I unpeeled all the letters. As you can see, they're here. We're gonna kind of cheat a little bit. Let's see if that'll work. Because it is not. Oh. Oops. Okay, yeah, that wasn't good. I instantly regret that decision. We're gonna try something else. Try this again. I wonder if the steam was what caused it to not stick. I just thought about that. Well, that is freaking jank! It's jank, everybody. You sure stuck to the... Alright, well... That was hot garbage. Back to the drawing board. Alright, everybody. So that didn't work. So we ran to the store, which was closed, and it's raining, so we went to another store. Got what we needed. Found these stencils. They're gonna do okay. Nope. I think they'll do alright. If not, we'll figure it out again. So, let's see. I've got the A from before, got the A there. It's pretty close. Close enough. So, I think it'll work. We're gonna paint it with some acrylic paint. So, yeah, that's the plan. Break. Alright, everybody, now all I gotta do is put this super cool thing back on the director's chair. So let's go. Can you see down there? Oh, yeah. Okay. So, I don't know if you noticed, I got a little paint down here and just from the back of the stencil sliding around. It makes it kind of look used, worn in. You know, it's industrial and DIY and, you know, all that good stuff. Matches, it goes well with the channel, that's what we'll say. this thing on there. Like so. Huh? Now we gotta clean up our mess. You never get this to work right. Cool. It's too tall to see. Hold on. I guess it's kind of backwards, isn't it? Is it? No? Works? Maybe? Yes? No? 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 Filming by yourself is tough. We'll get it. Bring in the explosives. Where are the extras? And where's my coffee? Well, everybody, that's the video. Action! Harville mates. We did this. Should have painted it from the beginning. Well, everybody, thanks for watching. It was a fun video. We got it done. A little bit bigger project than I thought it would be, mostly because nothing worked. But we got it. I think it looks great. I love the kind of industrial, vibe it's got going on with the whole filmmaker thing. I know, this will be the only time you ever see me in a beret. My Uncle Daniel got me the props for my birthday to go with the director's chair. So yeah, well, hope you guys have a blessed and wonderful day. You be good, be good people, and peace out!